Welcome to the If Income Training Kit Chapter 39. How to drive traffic by using Pinterest. Introduction. In this video, we will see how to drive traffic from Pinterest, step by step. So let's get started. So here we are on Pinterest, and from the search bar, let's search for weight loss plans, enter it from suggestions, and search. So there are all the pins related to weight loss plans. Let's open this one, and from here, let's open the Pinterest profile. So on this page, you can see this is their website address, and their followers i.e. 2.5k and have 3.3 million monthly views for this one profile. Below we can see its pins. And all these pins have generated 3.3 million monthly views that can be redirected to their website from here. Here they also have free weight loss challenge guide and its link. Let's open it from here. So this is its page, and below you have to enter your email address to receive that guide for free. Back on the profile page, let's open one pin, and here on top, you can see their website link is given. Click on it and it will redirect you to directly their website. So this is their official website, and here you can see their content gets 1,325 shares. Scroll below to view their content. Back on Pinterest, this is another post. Again, open the Pinterest profile. Here it says 4.5 million monthly views, and this is their website's link. Below we can see all their pins. Let's go back to the Pinterest homepage. So this is how you can drive traffic using Pinterest. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 40. How to create Pinterest account. In that video, we will see how you can create a Pinterest account step by step. See you in the next tutorial.